Guys, I'm sorry, we are running out of time, yeah? And I'm in the business of mission-critical, real-time middleware, yeah? So, yeah, going here, yeah? This is the current user base, yeah? So if this would have happened, yeah, like in this session, yeah, with these customers, yeah, on the Navy ships, yeah, we would be dead, yeah, because data was be too late, yeah? So anyhow, what I wanted to do is, in my 5 minutes, really be short, yeah, and take you on a little trip, yeah. So I want to tell you not to think about interfaces and protocols for the next 5 minutes. Yeah, please focus, yeah, on the data for one moment. Yeah, assume there's only data, yeah? And then let's see what this gospel of data centricity, what it looks like. Yeah? So, like in any gospel, there's always a beginning. Yeah? So the genesis. So the genesis of data centricity basically was when before the Internet of Things, yeah? The world was empty. It was dark. Yeah? There was no data. Yeah? And then all of a sudden, devices appeared. Yeah? And these devices produced tons of data. But some data is urgent, some data is not. Some data is important, some data is not. Some data is reliable, some data is not. Yeah? Some data is volatile, some data is not. So chaos. Yeah? So we saw it and we said, no, that's no good. So luckily QS policies were invented. Yeah? QS policies that you could annotate this data. Each piece of data could be annotated with a QS policy so that all data could be treated as data deserves. So, great, yeah? So there was still one thing missing, yeah? And that's the miracle of magic middleware. Middleware that would take all this data, all these QS policies, and would make sure that the right data is delivered to the right place at the right time. Yeah, and that's basically how DDS, yeah, as a middleware came about, and we can now really say the data is the network. Yeah? So it's not about protocols, it's not about interfaces, it's all about data. Data centricity. Yeah? Focus on the data. Don't worry about connectivity. Don't worry about topology. Don't worry about distribution. Just get your hands on the data and let DDS do the dirty work for you and deliver you the data. So I see you thinking, yeah, nice, no questions, no time for questions, yeah? There's beer, but we are the sponsors of the Stammtisch, yeah? So no beer before I'm ready, yeah? Sorry, yeah? So my last slide, yeah, is this, yeah? These are the guys, yeah, that already bought into that middleware. These are the customers of DDS, so that code base that we donate to Eclipse. Yeah? And here's where it all started. Yeah, naval combat management system. So if data is too late here, you're dead. Yeah, simple as that. Yeah, if data is too late over there in smart switches, yeah, half of America will be out of internet. Yeah, if data is not on time and not reliable, yeah, in your smart farming, then your cows will explode. Yeah, because they don't get milked on time. Yeah, so boom. Yeah, also not good. Yeah. Or your robots smart smashing into each other, yeah, because they didn't get the right data at the right time in your ROS2 environment, which is also based on DDS. Yeah, so that's the gospel of data centricity. Yeah, so please think about it. Yeah, watch how we donate our source, yeah, to Eclipse. Yeah, we are at the beginning. Yeah, join us. Yeah, make this a success. Yeah, and we, AD-Link, will provide a whole vortex of professional services around Eclipse Cyclone. So, thank you, and happy beer drinking. Yeah.
One question? Excuse my stupidness, I was already in an conference and I listened to you and I had more time and I still didn't understand. Is it the data API? What is it actually? Because you said...
There's no time. Beer. Oh, yeah. It's the miracle of magic middleware. Yeah, but yeah, I will explain. Yeah, as much as you like. Yeah, when over a glass of beer. So come and grab me. Yeah. So thank you guys.